If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2024 Jeep Compass Altitude in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With LED reflector headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross-pack detection, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 7,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, SELEC-TERRAIN System, split folding rear seats, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P90170.